Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I am not unboxing diamond paintings, but stick it. Otherwise, it's also called ministeck. It's the same thing. It's the same principle, but this one is stick it. I have two boxes. So one is with the leopards and like sunrise or sunset, can be either one, with a beautiful tree. The picture doesn't do it justice on the box, but I will show you the picture that come inside the box. And the other one is a beautiful deer. I love them both. So I'm gonna show you what's inside this box. So this is how it came. So we have a cardboard to like make sure everything is inside. We have a beautiful big pattern. So it comes in 4 sections, and it's really, you can really see which one is which. So I don't know if, no, here is not, there's no I thought it would be a picture inside the box, but as you can see, maybe you can, I'm gonna try to put them side by side. Maybe I'm gonna do the face one. Here you go. So as you can see, it's much brighter on the box, but this is the original. So it comes with a really clear sheet. As you can see, you can really, even the black one, yeah, the black one you won't see on camera, but oh yeah, maybe a little bit, but yeah, it's really clear pattern. So what comes in the box? So these are all the colors that you need. So this is one strip. The difference between this one and the ministeck is that this one comes with 3 small ones, and the other one just 2. So here I have an extra. So, and so this is the other side. So this is the part that you push inside the plate. So it's plastic, it's really soft. So what otherwise? So this is a little bag. I'm gonna try to open it without damaging, because I want to close it again. Yes. So we have gonna put it on the table first. A tool. So when you put a I cannot say drill. Yeah, when you put when it's on the wrong place, this comes in really handy. It's flat. If he wants to focus, that would be great. So it's flat, so you can really easy pull them out. You get one in each box, like a diamond painting comes with a tool. So we have the small ones. This is all the smallest one. That's really an extra. In all my other ones, I didn't really have to use them all. So we have a lot of them, as you can see. So, and then we have 2 different sizes of plastic. The difference between this is this you put on the it's actually something you can hang, and they are really strong. I have one hanging, and it didn't fall off yet, so they are really, really good. And this is just to put the plates together on the background, not on the background, but on the back. So you have, and what I do is for the outside, I just cut one in two, so it's much. I have plenty of them. You have more than enough that comes in a pack. So that are the two, and you only get two of them. So even when it's a big one or a small one, you only get two of these, not three. It would be handy to have three of them, like for a horizontal, so you can hang it much easier. Because I'm afraid I have one done from the Titanic. I might do another video of that. I have 4 of them completed. So I have an elephant, a puma, the Titanic, and no, I have 3 completed, but I started a new one, but I have to wait for the colors because I didn't bought it in a box like this. I only have the pattern and the loose pieces that I have. I'm gonna put this one in here. I don't need anymore, but just like diamond painting, right? We kept getting them, but I'm not gonna close it all the way. So I'm gonna try to put one out. So this is one of the plates. So it's a big one. So I have 4 of these. So it's a really big picture. And what's really what I love about pattern is that for each, because normally you have like always one that comes from this one and the other side. So what I did here is they really make sure that every single one is on the same plate, so you don't have to jump from one to another and compare the pattern with it. So these are all the colors that exist in this craft. They are not all included, but there are only 24 colors in a mini stack or stick it. Yeah, but it's actually all the colors that you need to make a beautiful artwork. So I'm gonna put this one back where if I can. You just have to be really careful, because on the back of the plates there are like really small how do you call that, to make it stand. So you have to be careful that you don't break them, because they break really easily. So that's the first one. And they are pretty heavy. So this one is approximately 8,300 pieces, and this one is 9,300. So it's a little bit more, but it's the same principle. But the only thing that is different is that this doesn't come with 4 sheets. They actually printed it like this. So it's basically only 2 sheets. But look at that. Oh, it's beautiful. I want to start it. But here the same thing. They number it. And it's the same thing. They make sure that everything stays on one plate. So that's really something that I enjoy, because the other ones you have to if you start a plate and you come out the sides, you really you really have to make sure that you have one at the laying besides, because otherwise you can't really proceed. So and this one I can easily do one at a time, and afterwards just putting the small little things behind, so I don't have to worry that I don't have to count, and that's really amazing. So I'm really happy about that. So these are all the colors. Yeah, there's a lot, but it's going to be beautiful. There's not a small picture on there, and I think these are actually the two different patterns that they have, but since it's a really big one, they come with the biggest one and not this one. I don't really like this because all of the smaller plates, I love this much better. So if you have any questions, please write them down below. I will answer them as quick as possible. I got let me think, where did I buy this? I think it came from Holland, from the Netherlands. Yes, I think it came from there. So it was 40 euros. Wait a minute, because my address is on there and I don't want anyone to see my address. It's a wait just a second. All right, here. You don't want to see my address, right? At least I don't. So here is, so it was both 40 euros and the shipping was free, because above I think 40 it was, no, 50, I can't remember, but it came from so here you can see it's from the Netherlands, and the site is, let me see if I can find it. If you want to look for it where I bought it, this is where I got it from. So it's Schellens Speelgoed. I ordered it the 1st of May and I got it, so this was ordered on a Friday and I got it on a Tuesday or Wednesday. So yeah, because the weekend is just after, it was a few days later, but it came in a perfect condition. It came just like this, no bends or anything like this, so I'm really happy about that. So if you want to check it out, so this is, so it's if you just put the name the name in Google, I think you will find it. They have many different boxes, and I might order some more, but I will finish this two before. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So if you have any questions, please ask them. Before I forget, this is the size when it's completed. So it's 53 by 66. So it's really, and my camera keeps turning. So it's a really huge piece, but yeah, it's going to be really beautiful. So I hope you have a wonderful day, evening or morning. And yeah, I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.